Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login Aid. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how to log in to Chase mobile banking account. So Chase is the US consumer and commercial banking business owned by JP Morgan Chase & Co. Its headquarters is located in New York, United States. Now let me show you how you can simply log in to your Chase online mobile banking account. So first of all, after you have installed your Chase mobile banking application, simply launch the app on your mobile device if it's an Android device or an iOS device. So let's tap open the application. Now let's wait for some time. Now once you are here on the app's interface, you'll see various options. If you are new here, you can tap on the option of sign up and create a new account for yourself. But for now, I'm just going to simply tap on the option of sign in order to log into my Chase mobile banking. With that, you'll see these fields where you have to enter your username and password. So let me enter my username here. Here we go. Now let's enter the password. After you have entered your password, you can also make a selection on the box that says remember me. So the next time you open the application, your login details will be saved. You can also select the option of use token and make a selection on that box. So let me make a selection, and if you have your token, you can simply enter your token number here, and then after entering your details, simply tap on the option of sign in. And in case if you have forgotten your username or password, you can tap on this option given below, and then you will be provided with procedures on how you can recover your Chase mobile banking account. So follow these easy steps and you will be able to log in to your Chase mobile banking account as well. And that's all for today. If you found this video helpful and informative, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.